Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and today we're gonna be doing this look. You're gonna see how I get to this, and it's just like a little date night look or whatever night look, I don't know. But mostly I had in mind a date or something, so I did a smoky eye. I don't know, I think it's smoky eye on date, even though I don't wear makeup on a dates. I mean, I wear mascara and I do my eyebrows, but I don't like to wear makeup because, like, I don't want to do my face. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Keep watching to see how it gets from bummy and crusty to this. Okay, go watch. Hello. So we're just gonna get started. I just feel so productive because I cleaned my whole makeup area. Like, I feel like I can do anything now. I just take over the world. So first I'm going to start with moisturizing my face. I'm gonna take my badescu facial spray. I feel like I should move the camera more over there. Hold on. This is so much better. Wow. This new thing I've been starting to do, I'm gonna go in with aloe vera. And I got it from Target. $2. And it's really hydrating. And it's like not like heavy on your face. Oh my god. And it like instantly starts absorbing into my skin. And I really like it because like my face is kind of on the oily side but also dry. So that combination. And mind my breakouts because I've been starting to break out because I've been testing this thing for a video that you'll see either before this or after. The aloe vera is already basically into my skin now. And it just makes me look all moisturized and stuff. She's like tacky. Okay, so now I'm going to, I feel like I forgot how to do everything. I haven't done makeup in mad long. And I'm using my little mirror today because my big one's charging. I'm gonna use my Benefit Professional. Don't mind my hair, I'm gonna do it later. Should I put foundation? Yeah, cause I'm kind of looking a little busted. I'm just gonna go into my WetNWild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Mahogany. I'm just gonna, it's a little spatula. So now I'm going to get my beauty blender. I already wet it. I feel so like ready today. I don't know. Oh yeah, I wanted to do my eyes first. That's why. Whatever. Look how much I'm breaking out. Hold on. I guess not cute at all. That's really not cute. But I'm making a video on it, so you'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna just use the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm just kind of rushing through my routine because I made a video on it if you guys want to see it, but I don't want my video to be too long. Like, all my videos end up being like over 12 minutes and that's really starting to get to me, hurt my feelings. So I seen someone set with this. I want to see how it looks. I'm gonna grab the Maybelline Fit Me powder and I'm gonna set my makeup with it. I seen like a new technique where you dip it in here like that and then blow it and then pack it on. I said, oh, okay. Which eye did I do first? But the only thing I don't like about setting with this powder is that this powder is dark, like as dark as my face. It's like the same shade as me. I've been getting a lot of things done lately. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my god, and I got a spray bottle that has pizza on it and it's a continuous mist. Should I use this brush? I'm feeling in an adventurous mood. I'm gonna use this brush. I never use this brush. Only because it's like so dangerous. Yeah, don't mind me guys. My skin is really going through it right now. On the camera it looks nice, but oh my gosh. I'm thinking about stopping recording because this looks a little wrong. Blush, number 7 powder blusher in Plum Velvet. Okay, so now I'm gonna start the eyes. So today I'm going to use the Lorac Pro palette and I'm going to set my eyes first. My Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium. Anyway, and you know they made new shades in this? Like, this was the darkest shade before and now they have like actual shades for me. I was like, wow. Guess who's about to cop? I should do my eyebrows first. But like literally ignore my eyebrows because I need to get them done. Now you see why I used it as a base for my eyelids because I couldn't use it as a concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with my Lorac Pro palette and take a big old fluffy brush. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I dropped it. And I'm gonna take this top color out of the palette and Use that to set my lid. Now I'm going to take that same brush and go into this color Sable right here. And I'm just going to use that as a transition shade and just go into the crease with it. So now I'm going to use a little brush like this. This is a little pointed pencil type brush. And I'm going to go into the darker color brown, Espresso right here. And I'm going to put that in here. But keep it in the corner, the outer corner of your eye. Try not to go too much in there, just add a little depth. Now I'm going to go with my fluffy Carli brush that came in the Royal Peach palette and go back into Sable and blend that all together. And try to blend it up a little higher onto like almost my brow bone. I'm just going to grab this big ColourPop brush, this blending brush. Don't add any more shadow. Just going to blend just so it looks more diffused. Now I'm going to take a flat brush. I forgot what it's called. Yeah, flat brush. And it has a little edge to it, like a little angle. And I'm gonna use a glittery color. I'm going to the Carli Bybel palette. I think I'm just gonna use one of these shades right here. I think I'm gonna use the shade I usually use for highlighting. Wow. I'm gonna go back into Espresso and say, well, let me see. Just go on top of it to tone that down. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna put a little liner on. Yup! Just gonna put the eyeshadow back on top of the liner to cover it up. And then I'm gonna put the liner back on. Yay, good as new. So I basically hate this look, but it's okay. But I'm going to put on lashes now. No. Where did I put the lashes? Sorry, I do a British accent sometimes. And it's pretty good. I know it is. Thank you. Or it's pretty cringy. Either or. Which lashes do I want to dye with this look? These Ardell faux mink. I like these. My hair is so sad, but these curls aren't. Okay, so my lashes are on, and now I'm gonna move on to highlight. I wanted to use my highlighter, but I don't know if I should use it now because I feel like this won't look good with this. I think I'm gonna just go into my my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and Sundipped, and I'm going to use this color up here. I'm gonna go back into my Lorac palette. I'm gonna go into the top shade again, the top right here, and I'm just gonna go with a little blending brush, or you can use any brush, and I'm gonna put it under my brow bone and under my brow, basically just separating the smoky eye from my brows so it looks cleaner. I'm gonna use that same brush and put the highlight on my brow bone to like to be glowing everywhere. Okay, too much. Okay, now I'm gonna use some setting spray. Wow, I'm wet. Literally, my shirt's wet now. So I'm gonna go finish my hair because this looks crazy, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. My hair, I just I straightened up my edges. I didn't lay them or anything. I just put some edge control so it doesn't look crazy, tied it back, and then did like a loose type of messy bun and left this front piece out because my curls were popping. But yes, thank you for watching. This is the final look. I said it already. Just a little smoky eye with some gold details and some highlight, some clear gloss, you know how that goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys use this look. I hope you guys use it for anything. If you wear it out or anything, I hope you enjoyed. I said that already. It's awkward. Let me try to get all my thoughts together. Hold on. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you comment something that you want me to do in the next video. Or you can just give me a compliment. I'll take that too. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. It'll be down in the description box below. And hit the subscribe button. I think it's over here. It's over here. Yeah, it's right here. Hit the subscribe button so you can be subscribed. And hit the notification button that's right next to it so you get notified because I post twice a week. No specific days because it's a surprise. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye.
You see me heavy work. You see me do me dirt. There's something about that work. When you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, man.
Some more fling, I said farewell. You took it well. Promise I won't cry or spill milk. Say all on his mouth like liquor. Hey, Miss Carter. Say hey, Miss Carter. Give me some. 2 weekends, sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh wait, hold on. Thanks for watching. Bye.